I love it hard. I'm like,
how much do you love choking on flies?
I was like, I should get a fly in my other lung because this one's only got 3 and I think this one's only got 1. And to even them up a little bit so the protein of the lung digestion can get better. Ugh. You could do a Ben swallowing flies playlist. So guys, we're out here digging up nuggets. We have the GPX 6000. We got a whole bunch of signals through here. We pulled a bunch of nuggets. It's my son just over there. And we'll see what we get. Now this signal's a little bit louder, so I'm thinking it might be a bit of a bigger nugget or a bigger bit of tin or something. Either way, it has to be a little bit down. So the other thing we've done is we've gone over this with the magnetic sweeper just over there. There'll be a card to that video just up here. Honestly, it's like the best thing ever. Picks up all the junk in an area. So you either end up with gold or a deep piece of junk, which just saves you so much time when you're prospecting. Anyway, let's find out. Is it gold? Is it junk? Oh, that's a good sign. I hate rocks. Well, that's good. Now, when I do this, I don't want the nugget to go flying, so I'm gonna do little scrapey scrapes. See what we got. Don't know if I'm relieved or not that it's still in the rock. A bit more digging through the rock. That looks interesting. Bit of colour. Maybe we have it. Let's see. Oh, thank goodness for that. I'd have 2. That'd be fully sick. Can't see anything yet. What is it? It's a bit dirty. Got a suck on it to see what it is. Colour could it be? Oh, look at that. A nice piece of gold. Very nice. Whoop, bit of flies in there for scale. There you go. Sick one. Put it in my handy dandy medicine container. Join all these little friends. I reckon there's another one here. Only so many flies a man can take. See, maybe the magnetic detector missed it. This other signal over here just turned out to be a bit of ground noise. There's a big rock here, and yeah, I sort of cleaned it up. Couldn't really see anything. There was this big spring also down there as well, so that's probably what it was, a combination of those two things. All right, so we're gonna head to the next one, guys. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a like, subscribe, and a thumbs up, and we see you in the next video.